Vasari Mastercoat is our thickest and heaviest bodied plaster, made of lime and coarse marble aggregates. Because of its thickness, it can create a beautiful undulating geometry throughout the wall. It's perfect for smoothing out irregular surfaces where necessary, such as brick, tile, stone, and more. It can be perfectly smoothed or applied with a heavy texture. Mastercoat is the ideal preparatory base coat for our shower plaster system, which is often referred to as Tadelakt. It can be used as a standalone finish coat, or it can be top coated with any one of our plasters and line paint. Like all of our plasters, it's environmentally friendly, it has 0 VOCs, it's antimicrobial, and absorbs excess humidity. Mastercoat is easy to apply and maintain for generations. Mastercoat can be tinted to any color and is also perfect for lime painting or used as a natural, beautiful white. Mastercoat is sold only as a dry mix. 1 bag of Mastercoat will make 5 gallons of plaster and will cover 100 square feet per coat on a relatively smooth surface. After mixing, it will keep indefinitely and can be used at any time. It will adhere to waterborne primer, paint, brick, stone, cement, and panel board. Apply the first coat of Mastercoat to your surface. Mastercoat is usually applied at about a 1/4 inch thickness per 2 coats, but can also be applied thicker to over 1/2 inch thick or 1.5 centimeters in areas where necessary. Wait at least 48 hours until it's completely dry without any damp spots. Particularly thick applications can sometimes create minor cracking on the first coat, but can be easily mended before applying the final coat. Apply a second coat for a smoother finish. As it begins to dry, Mastercoat can be compressed, smoothed, or water troweled for the desired finish. Mastercoat can be burnished and compressed for a soft, elegant sheen and a refined variation of color. Or it can be layered for a heavy and coarse texture. It can be cleaned with water and even solvents for more difficult stains. It can be sealed and waterproofed where necessary. Visit VasariPlaster.com for ordering materials, information, design inspirations, and much more. Enjoy!